My dear friends, in the last period, I talked about phonetics. That is, we have 44 sounds in English. At the very beginning, I talked about the pure vowels. The pure vowels are 12 in number. You are looking at this screen, at this PPT, that we have long E as in the word sheep, short E as in the word ship, and then we have short U, that is good, and we have long U, that is shoot, and then we have A as in bed, teacher, A as in teacher, A as in bird or girl, shirt, like this. We have the next sound is O, that is door, and we have A, that is as in the word like cat, mat, like this. There is another A which is called a strong A. Actually, it is as in the word up, cup, like this. And we have A as in the word fa, ka, like this. And we have A as in the word on, like this. After pure vowels, we have diphthongs. Diphthongs also known as the gliders or the glides. Why these are called glides or gliders? Because the diphthongs are made up of uh, two sounds. Means it start at a certain sound and stop at a certain sound. Therefore, we have these diphthongs, and the diphthongs are 8 in number in English language. So, ear, the first one is ear as in the word here, means this sound starts at E, slowly goes or glides to the sound that is means it becomes ear, that is here. The next sound we have, that is A. A means it starts at the sound A and slowly glides to the sound that is short E, that is A, means A. As in the word we have wait, 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 like that. We have another word, that is gate, isn't it? The gate. Okay, now we have Uwe. What is that? Uwe. A tourist. Poor. Yes, mover, like that. This Uwe. And then we have oi, as in the word boy. Generally, we pronounce this word as boy, but it is not boy, but it is boy. Then we have oh. Oh. This is we can show we can pronounce the word like show, but it is not show, it is show. We have another word like this, that no, that is no. Generally we say pronounce it as no, but it is said like no, no, that is so, as in the post, most. These are the words we can pronounce with the help of this diphthong, that is o. Then we have air. Air in the as in the word hair, air, chair, mare, fair, like that. Then we have the next diphthong, that is I, as in the word my, isn't it? My. Yeah. This the pronunciation of this my, actually we pronounce it as my, but it is to be said like my. Another word is there, that's I. This I is the first person singular pronoun, that is to be pronounced like this I was there, like that. And the last diphthong is au, means as in the word cow, as in the word mouse, as in the word house, like this. In these words, this au is used. You go through this so that you may understand the exact or correct pronunciation of the words with the help of the IPA, that is International Phonetic Alphabets. Now, after that, we have 24 consonants. That 24 consonants are, that is p, b, t, d, f, v, th, d, m, n, y, h, ch, j, k, g, s, z, sh, j, l, r, v, and y. These are the 24 consonants we have in English language, and 20 vowels are there, and these 24 sounds are to be studied or expected to be studied in the semester 5, and with the help of this we can have a good speaking English skill, and with the help of this we can transcribe the sentences which has been prescribed for the in the study in the paper number 6 in this semester. Please you go through this. Whenever you have the problem of pronunciation and problem of transcription of any word in English language, you may contact me on WhatsApp or through email, so that we can be in touch with each other forever, and have a nice day. Thank you very much.